Gosh. Didn't hear you come in. Cool. Jeez. If you're watching this video, it's probably 365 days or fewer until April Fool's Day. Unless it's a leap year. But oh no! Do I have enough time to prepare? Yeah, you do, because of this video. I'm gonna show you 3 original intense pranks that you can pull on your friends and family at home or wherever. So make sure you like and share this video before it gets age restricted, because these pranks are intense.
So this first prank is all about deception, and it's a great one to pull on your friends. First, you'll want to inform your friends that you took magic lessons last summer.
I took magic lessons this last summer.
They already think you're pretty cool, but now you just got even cooler. Tell them you want to show them a trick, and you just need to borrow one of their cell phones.
I want to show you a trick. Let me borrow one of your cell phones.
Now, you'll want to take out a towel and a hammer. Place the phone under the towel and... Now let your friend know he's stupid for believing you would take magic lessons.
You're so stupid. I never took magic lessons.
He just got pranked.
This next prank is great because it can be done almost anywhere. It just takes a little preparation ahead of time. We'll need a bottle of window cleaner, any brand will work, and a bottle of sports drink that matches the color. In this case, I'm using Gatorade G2 Low Sugar Glacial Freeze. We'll start by emptying the Gatorade bottle. Next, remove the sprayer from the window cleaner and pour the contents into the Gatorade bottle. Now seal up the Gatorade bottle. That's it, you're all set. Now when you're out in public or hanging out with your stupid friends, they'll think you're rehydrating yourself with some sports drink, but you're actually drinking window cleaner.
They just got pranked.
Finally, we have a modern take on an old classic. For this prank, you'll need a doorway and some plastic wrap. We want to put the plastic wrap across the doorway at face height of our victim, maybe your little sister. Make sure our wrap can't easily be seen. And now we wait. Oh, here comes someone. Feel free to improvise this part as you deem appropriate.
Your friends and family, they're all idiots, but you're a genius. And that's exactly what these pranks prove. You know what's a great prank? Subscribe and like this video, and that will prank me so hard. See you guys in the next one.
Prank.